My name is Ben Schooley and I work as the pro se coach here in Texas. And I wanted to talk just real briefly about myself. I have two exes. My first ex and I have done 50-50 and no child support for those two children for the past 16 years and are about to graduate our youngest. So never been a problem. Unfortunately, I went through it again in 2015. We had a 5-year-old. And what followed was 3.5, 4 years of agony of family law. And I did it all myself, not because I wanted to, but because there was no other way for me to do it. And so as I came to the end of that, it robbed me of my physical health, it robbed me of my business, and ultimately it robbed me of my mental health, and I didn't want to do anything anymore. But the chapter ultimately turned, and I was able to move forward. And at some point, I had told a friend that no one understood what I was going through and when I was going through it. Your parents don't understand, your friends don't get it. Everybody just tells you to call a lawyer, and sometimes that's not an option. And so unfortunately, like me, you get to go crash through walls and try to figure it all out yourself. And that's hard. So in 2020, I started this business of helping people walk through their family law cases without the use of a lawyer. I'm not a lawyer. I can't write documents for you. I can't tell you exactly what to do. I can't tell you a lot of things. But what I can do is I can share my knowledge to assist you in making the decisions that you need to make. I can help you with the documentation that you're going to need. And I can help you get through this process without the need for a lawyer. And I have very much enjoyed this to help people avoid a lot of the pitfalls that I had to go through. I had to learn everything the hard way by going to court and screwing up and having it thrown out. You wouldn't experience that. And so it's a lot of fun for me, and it's very rewarding for me to be able to help people go through that in a much more efficient and intelligent way than I did. Family law is a very sick, broken, and corrupt industry. And if this is some small role I get to play in helping people avoid it, then that's what I like to do. And I wish I didn't get the education that I got, but I'm left deciding what to do with that education. And so I've chosen to help you and help you get through this in a way much cleaner than I did. Once you understand how the game works, you're going to see that family law is not difficult. It is not complex. It's really not. It's very intimidating and it's very, very scary. So let me come alongside you and we'll go through this together, and I hope to be able to help advocate for you and your family as you go through this process. My name is Ben Schooley and I'm Texas Pro Se Coach. You can do this, and I hope you'll let me help you. You can find me anytime at www.prosecoachtx.com.